Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover a Vinted account. If you've been locked out of your Vinted account or simply can't remember your password, don't worry. The recovery process is usually quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can reset your password and get back into your account without confusion. Start by going to the Vinted website in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign-in options so you can begin the account recovery process from the login area. This is the easiest place to access the password reset tools. From there, click on the email option. This is important because you'll be recovering access through the email address connected to your Vinted account. Make sure you choose the same sign-in method you originally used for that account, especially if you've used multiple login options before. Next, select the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to the password recovery page where Vinted will ask for the email address associated with your account. This step tells the platform where to send your password reset instructions. Now enter your email address carefully. Take a moment to check for any typing mistakes before submitting it, because even a small error can prevent the reset email from reaching you. It's best to use the email inbox you currently have access to, since you'll need to open a message from Vinted in the next step. After that, go to your email inbox and look for the message from Vinted. Open the email with the subject or button related to resetting your Vinted password. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two and also check your spam, junk, or promotions folders, since automated emails can sometimes land there. Once you've opened the email, click on Reset Your Vinted Password. This link will direct you back to a secure page where you can continue the recovery process. On the next screen, click Change Password, then follow the on-screen procedure to create a new password. Choose something secure but memorable, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. As you complete the prompts, make sure your new password is something you can store safely for future use. After finishing the reset, you should be able to sign back into your Vinted account with your new password. That's it. You've successfully recovered your account.